didn't get murdered.
I just picked this refrigerator up off of Facebook Marketplace this morning for $100. Gets nice and cold, works perfectly. Only issue is it's got a lot of dents, scratches, and just in general wear all over this thing. I got this to be a garage fridge, so we have a place to put, well, let's be honest, it's going to be Miller Lights mostly. So we've got this, but after I got it home, I realized first a few bucks and a couple of cans of spray paint, I can Bondo these scratches and sand it out, make it look just as good as it was new. And I figured for a few bucks, why wouldn't I do that? So that's what we're gonna do today. We'll get this taken apart, sanded, get some of these dents knocked out of it. We're going to Bondo tonight and get it ready for paint in the morning. So let's get into it. So I'm going to put a coat of paint on this. We decided to go with this hammered black Krylon, mainly because it's already got a texture on the existing paint and in the actual metal. So we didn't want it to just be too obvious between textured and perfectly smooth where the Bondo was. So hoping that this texture will blend nicely throughout. So let's start spraying this. And then we'll move on to the doors. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why my thumb's all smashed up and duct taped together, well, watch the other video of I've been working on all afternoon building these raised planter beds for our garden. Smashed my thumb pretty good, so if you want to see me smash my thumb really good, subscribe, watch the other video. You won't want to miss that one. All right, so the paint has been drying all afternoon, and it's good. Good and dry. I'd say it looks a lot better than it did when I bought it. It's not perfect. That was the goal. The freezer door looks really great. I think the textured paint was the right way to go. It blended over the Bondo pretty nicely. If you look real close, you can see a little bit of a difference, but I mean, probably not. You probably won't see it on video. Guys, so this is it. Garage fridge is done. It is in the garage. It's plugged in, working, cooling. I just threw the handles on here. I actually painted them a gloss black separately, separate paint from the rest of the fridge. Gives it a nice little contrast, but looks good. I think overall, it looks so much better than it did when I bought it 2 days ago. Definitely not perfect. There's a couple of areas, little dents that I could have worked on more and gotten them out, but for what it is, a garage fridge, I'd say it's more than good enough. So we've already got some stuff in here cooling off, and we've put this thing to use. So that's the end of this project. If you like this one, this would be a short one, but make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you're doing. Tell me where I screwed up. Tell me I used the wrong paint. Tell me I shouldn't use Bondo on it, and the whole thing's gonna catch on fire and burn the house down. Whatever you think, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.